Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. Yeah, I know, this is the third one in less than a week. But anyway, so what I'm going to do today is something I've never seen anybody do. So on Saturday morning, I posted my unboxing video. So today, I am posting a reboxing video. So what I have decided is I am not keeping the titanium. I am going to keep the ceramic. So I've gone back and forth. Not so much on the titanium. I kind of knew that one just wasn't for me. I mean, it's a great watch. It looks good. It looks a lot better in person than it does in videos and stuff like that. Like the shine is definitely different than what you get with an aluminum watch and all that. It does look a little more high quality than aluminum, but it's not much. So keep that in mind. I highly recommend, if you're really tempted to get this, to go to the store first and see it in person. Like I said, it does look better in person than it does in videos. But for me, if I was going to get a silver type watch, I want it to go with the link bracelet and like the Milanese loop and stuff like that, the silver ones, and it just did not. In my opinion, like the titanium has like this little bit of a gold tint is what it looks like to me in most lights, and silver does not have that. So if you are interested in this, the Milanese loop, the black one or the gold one's probably the best way to go. I think they'll probably look pretty good with those. But for me, I already had the others, and well, I had the link bracelet. And if I can't wear those with this, I might as well keep the ceramic. And also, I really like this one. Even my son loves this one. When I was talking about the silver one, he was just not happy with me possibly getting rid of this and going back to silver. Wasn't that right?
Yeah.
Come over here and tell him. Me and him went back and forth, and he told me to keep the white one. So that is my excuse. So if you're like... Yeah, he yelled at me. And he said if I didn't keep the white one, he was going to break my other one. But obviously, I wouldn't allow that. But, so anyway, so he is my excuse to pay an insane amount of money for a watch. So, thanks.
You're welcome.
But yeah, see ya. So anyway, I am going to rebox to the best of my ability because we'll see how that works out. This Apple Watch. So, let's do it. So here we go. First things first, let's get the secondary band. So like I said, I had ordered the Milanese loop as a secondary band. So, but it did not go at all, in my opinion. Let's see. This hasn't been too bad. So I think there it is. This should just slide down into here. Here we go. There you go. One down. All right, one box down. Got 2, 3 more, some more to go. Since the other band went well, let's start with the other one. Alrighty. How's this go? So you want to look. Looks like that lines up pretty good. Snap this in. And it looks like we can just do this. That might be good. Yep. Oh yeah. That's got a little heft to it, but I think that's how it was in there. Alright. Paperwork. So this got a little messed up, but it's all good. Apple will still take it back. I don't think they'll charge me anything for a little crumbled paper. Alright. So there's that. So now the hard part. This thing. So luckily I had a video of how it was in there. So that helps. Maybe. I probably should have reviewed it before I went in. But I know that goes there. And then the other issue I had the last time was not sure how this wraps. So I did see that it goes around. I'll put this up here so it's not scratching the table. Around like this. Luckily this is still new too, so like the indents or whatever, the form of how it was wrapped is still pretty solid. And don't think, maybe. I think this goes in here, but I'm not sure. That, oh, I almost got it. Good enough, maybe. It's not perfect, but as long as it fits in here. So we're good with that. We got it. And now, oh, don't forget this. I think it pops in just like that. Pop that in there. Now this beautiful, but not beautiful enough for me, watch, is just going to slide right in there. And then it goes right there. And boom! Box done. Alright, so these go like this, and then here's the little wrap. I still am amazed how they did this. This looks awesome. So I love that they did it like that. And you just pop these, I believe, like so. Another thing is, if you actually go into the store, they don't have, like mine still had the plastic wrap around it, and they do that for ones they ship out. But if you go in the store, there you go, look at that, all boxed, reboxed. First reboxing video I think you'll ever see, maybe. But anyway, like I said, if you go in the store, what they're actually doing is you're going to get a box just like this without the plastic. So what they do is you can go in and you can say, hey, I want this watch case, you know, whether it's the aluminum, the ceramic, the edition, you know, whatever you want. The titanium steel. You can go in, I want that case and I want this band. As long as both of them are in stock, you can get it right then and there. If it's not, maybe they have the case you want, but they might not have the band you want, and you can be like, okay, I'll just wait. I'll order it online and I'll just wait. You know, right now it's about a month or so out. Or they can say, hey, but we do have this other band. You can just get it instead. And it's like, that's something they couldn't do before, because before everything was pre-packaged and you were just stuck with whatever band. Okay, let's put that right way. Whatever band and whatever watch you got. So really awesome. I love that they did that. I think it's going to help a ton with stock, you know, with how many they got in and everything. So yeah, very cool. I love my Apple Watch. It's my favorite Apple product. And I hope you like this video. I hope it's been your first reboxing video that you've seen. And I will see you in the next one. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, and come over here again. Yeah. Because you make him smile. Hit that little notification bell. Because every time you do, he gets $1.
What? Yes!
I'm just kidding.
No!
Tell him to like it anyway.
Like it anyway.
But yeah, and also there'll be another video around here soon. One of my other videos. Feel free to hit that and watch that one too. I'm just getting started. I want to do a lot of videos.
Oh, that made me
and I want to have a lot of fun. And if you like him, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down so I know. Oh, that would be so mean. Don't give my kid a thumbs down. You might make him cry.
Yeah, I already cried when he said I was not getting $1. So
I'm sorry. I'll give you $1. Just one.
Yes.
But yeah. So anyway. Okay, calm down. So anyway, like this video. Comment. Let me know what you think. If you want him more videos too, let me know. Because I can bring him in. He is crazy. His little brother is even crazier.
Yeah.
So I probably won't bring him in any. But yeah. So
only
that's
if he
it.
like peeks in, like he usually does.
Yeah, but I try to do videos when he's asleep. But yeah. Okay, I gotta cut this off. So anyway, see ya. Bye.